Hi guys, welcome to Edit Pulse channel. If you want easy training and editing on your phone, subscribe to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your photo into amazing 4K quality. Let's go. Tap the Photo Leap app. Select the Edit Photo section. Choose your photo. Tap AI Backgrounds. In this section, you can see the suggested backgrounds. Click on any background to see the changes. To use all the interesting and AI features of the Photo Leap program, download the Pro version of the program from the Telegram channel, the link of which is in the description. In the Custom section, you can write your own text and the background will change. For example, we write green tree sunset bouquet. If you tap on Custom, the background will change again until you find the right background. Choose this background. Adjust Part can apply light and color changes. We set saturation section to number 59. Apply the number relative to your photo. For more detailed settings, you can choose the People or Background section. The last and most interesting part is how to convert the photo quality to 4K. Just select the Enhance option, and you'll see the amazing changes in the photo. You save at the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell to support us. Thank you for watching.